Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Shivangi and welcome to my channel, The Tales of Homemaking. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I try to post videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So today is a section of videos where I share my hacks, my DIY ideas with you guys, that is Hacks of Thursday video. I'm kind of a mom who always try to search the mom hacks in the YouTube bar, and this is not something which I don't know, but get it all know in a point system always helps with me. So I'm a big fan of mom hacks, and I try to imply them in my day-to-day life, be it the organization hacks, be it your toddler hacks, be it your how to entertain a toddler hacks, and I'm really a very big fan of hacks. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite mom hacks which you can try when your child is sick or unwell, and how to entertain them and how to manage your household work, because being a mommy is very difficult when your child is unwell. You need to soothe them, you need to entertain them, and with this responsibility you need to manage your household chores and manage your office work as well. So I'm going to share my favorite tips and tricks with you guys so that you can take whatever you like. So let's get started today's video. So my next one is plan your day according to their needs, make them priority. I know we have a lot of household chores, we have a lot of responsibilities as a moms, but if we plan, or any of the parent will plan their day according to the child need, it really help to suit them a lot. And my next one is try to finish mostly meal prep before the child wake up, and this comes as a life savior for me, because when sometimes when he gets so much fuzzy that I cannot cook anything, so best part is that before he wakes up I try to finish as much as possible of my cooking and cleaning, because so that I'll be happily spending my whole time with him and freely in my clear head that yeah, I'm free now. Divide their toys in different containers, and when your child is sick or they cannot move around much, they're fuzzy, so it's the best part that you take their toys or their colors and divide them in containers a night before, and plan their activities accordingly, and keep them away and give them one by one. If this way the excitement of using another bucket will be there, and they will enjoy more. So this might look very simple, but it is very essential as well, because when they are not moving around and when they are sick or anything happen to them, it's very much important to keep them hydrated and hygienic as much as possible. So try to make a caddy of their water bottle and hygiene essentials so that they can reach out easily. My next one is massage soothes. So whenever Ayansh gets sick, I try to increase his massages of his feet, because he really enjoy them, and it really helps to make him feel much better. And yeah, this is very essential. You can try it. And my another one is pamper them by preparing their favorite food. और ये मेरी बचपन की एक memory है, when I used to get sick, my mom used to prepare all my favorite foods, because जब भी हम बीमार होते हैं तो सारे taste buds बहुत अजीब से हो जाते हैं, so it's better to prepare their favorite food at home and give them a treat. And exposure to the outside fresh air. I can understand when the child is sick, you really want to snuggle into the bed, but it taking them out always boost their mood, and it really works with us. If you can't take them out for a walk, just take them for a drive, and it will really uplift their mood and yours as well. So that's it from my side in today's video. I really hope that you never ever gonna need them to try them with your kids. I really pray to God that every child is safe and secure out there. And if you ever in any circumstances need to try them, do try them, and let me know in the comment section below which tip and trick you like the most, and what are your tip and tricks which you try to follow with your kids when they are sick or unwell. And yeah, I would love to hear from you guys, and also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links I'm going to provide in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I would love to hear from you guys, and stay with me, stay connected. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much.